Alright, we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. And I found a little something in the trunk tonight. Unfortunately, that little something goes down there. And I got the electrical part hooked up. I don't have the vacuum hooked up yet. Some of it actually got burned up when the engine toasted, so I'll have to figure out how to fabricate that. But as you can see, I had to disconnect some wires, spark plug wires, to get that put in. That's what I had in memory when I was thinking about all the wiring that goes in behind it. I was concerned about it getting burned up by the exhaust, but that shouldn't be any problem. I did get the power steering pump bolted down, but there's the lines that hook up to it right there. Got the alternator tightened down. That's good. That's good. And definitely making progress, but it was a little tough tonight because I had to undo things and put things back together, and hopefully you'll watch this before you do your own and you won't have the same problem. So if you happen to have some of these, and I know one guy said he's got 5 of them, if he plans on keeping, he's going to be doing this sooner or later, but then maybe he hires all this stuff out. I don't know. So that's how it went tonight. It's a little colder out. Rainy. Kind of fall weather. But we got some 70s coming up for in a few days. That'll last a little bit, and hopefully we'll get that hay done. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.